This is problems 33, 34, 35, and it's division with fractions. Okay, so here we are, and division has an extra step. It's very similar to multiplication, but in that you don't change denominators. In other words, you don't have to find a common denominator between the fractions. So we're going to divide 1/7 divided by 1/3, and in this case, this is dividend, and this is divisor. How we do this is it's written out this way already, and we have to do our next step, which is we change it to a multiplication problem, but we flip the divisor. 2, 3 over 1. So find the reciprocal of the divisor. That's the official rule. So find the reciprocal of the divisor and multiply. So we find the reciprocal of the divisor and multiply. Those are the steps for dividing fractions. So let's do that. Now that I have flipped over this divisor, or found the reciprocal of, then let's multiply. 3, because 1 times 3 is 3, 7 times 1 is 7. So the answer to our first problem, 33, is 3/7. Okay, so let's follow the steps for number 34, which is find the reciprocal of the divisor and multiply. So reciprocal of this divisor will be, we've got 5/11 times 33 tenths, because I turned that around. And in this case, we're going to want to cross cancel. So 5 into 5 is 1, 5 into 10 is 2, 11 into 11 is 1, 11 into 33 is 3, which gives us 3 halves. Now it's asking for those terms as whole or mixed number. So this is an improper fraction, so we have to change it to a mixed number. 1 times 2 is 2. 1, so we have 1.5. Our final answer is 1 1/2 for problem 34. Problem 35 is also a division problem, and if you remember, well, of course it's also division. The top of the numerator is the dividend. And we still follow the same division rules, which is you find the reciprocal of the divisor and multiply. Well, it's a little complicated to do that if you leave it in this format. This is divisor. So we want to put it in a horizontal fashion like this. So we'll rewrite it. 4/9. Oops. We're going to write it like this. So 4/9 divided, because this is divisor, or dividend, sorry, that's the dividend, and divisor, 1/4. Now notice I haven't flipped that or found the reciprocal of that, because it's division. Once I follow the steps and multiply, so I write it again, and this seems like it may be a waste of time, but it keeps you from making simple errors. Now I have found the reciprocal of this and multiply. It doesn't, we lose accuracy if we want to skip steps. It's worth it to take the time. Alright, 4 times 4 is 16, 16/9. 9 times 1 is 9. Once again, this is an improper fraction, so it needs to be a mixed number according to our instructions. So 9 into 16 goes once. 16 minus 9 is 7, and that's 7/9. Because the remainder is the numerator, the divisor is the denominator, so 1 7/9. And of course that can't be reduced at all. Alright, so those are the answers to 33, 34, and 35.